How can I fix Siri not speaking?
Hello, everyone. In today's guide, we're going to address a common issue with iPhones, Siri not speaking. Siri is a great tool that can make our lives much easier when it works as expected. But sometimes, you may notice that Siri isn't talking back to you. So today, we're going to walk you through how to fix Siri when it's not speaking.
Is Siri enabled?
The first step is to check if Siri is enabled on your device. 1. Navigate to your iPhone settings by tapping the gear icon. 2. Scroll down and select Siri and search. 3. Make sure the switches for Listen for, Hey Siri, and Press Side button for Siri are both turned on. If they were off, turning them on might resolve your problem. If they were already on, let's move to the next step.
Is Siri's voice feedback set correctly?
The next thing to check is if Siri's voice feedback settings are configured properly. Siri has an option to limit or control when it gives voice feedback. 1. Still under the Siri and Search menu in your settings, select Siri Responses. 2. Make sure that the setting is not on hands-free only. Ideally, you want it to be on always. If the voice feedback setting was set incorrectly, correcting it should bring Siri's voice back.
Is the Siri language and voice type set correctly?
The third section involves checking if Siri's language and voice type is set correctly. 1. Go back to the Siri and Search menu and select Siri Voice. 2. Ensure that the language matches your desired language and the voice type matches your desired type. Remember, after making changes in Siri's voice type, your device might need to download the new voice file, which may take a moment.
Is your iPhone volume up?
Finally, we must ensure that your iPhone's volume is turned up. It may sound simple, but sometimes the volume control can accidentally be lowered, leading to Siri not speaking. 1. Press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone a few times. 2. Make sure the ringer volume is turned up in your settings. Hopefully, by following these steps, you'll have Siri talking back to you in no time. If the problem persists, it might be a more technical issue and contacting Apple support could be the next best step. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.